Hey there, welcome back to Fittz channel, the go-to place for fresh and innovative business ideas. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. Ever thought about making money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in this video, we're diving into how you can earn $1,000 a month passively with HTML5 Games. Yes, you heard that right. So, whether you're a coding enthusiast or just curious about new income streams, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started and unlock the potential of passive income through HTML5 Games. Alright, let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about passive income. Passive income is money you earn in a way that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Imagine earning an income while you're sleeping, traveling, or just enjoying your hobbies. That's the beauty of passive income. Now, let's shift gears to HTML5 Games. For those who might be wondering, HTML5 is the latest version of hypertext markup language, the code that describes web pages. It's a powerful tool for creating all sorts of digital content, and that includes games. HTML5 games are accessible, they run on web browsers without needing any additional plugins, and they work on various devices, including PCs, tablets, and smartphones. But here's the kicker, HTML5 games have become a hot commodity in the online world. They're not just for entertainment, they're a business opportunity. With the rise of mobile gaming and casual gamers, HTML5 games offer a unique way to tap into the gaming market without the need for complex programming or high-end graphics. It's a field that's growing rapidly and is accessible even to those with basic coding skills. So, combining passive income and HTML5 games? That's a match made in heaven for anyone looking to earn money in a creative, fun, and relatively easy way. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how you can get a slice of this lucrative pie. Now, let's talk about how you can actually create these HTML5 games without needing to be a coding wizard. Yes, you heard that right, no coding required. This is where Construct 3 comes into the picture. Construct 3 is a powerful and user-friendly game development tool that allows you to create games without a single line of code. It's all about drag and drop, making it perfect for beginners and those who prefer a more visual approach to game creation. First, let's explore what Construct 3 is all about. It's a web-based platform, meaning you can use it right in your browser. This tool provides a range of features that simplify game development. You have access to a library of assets, easy-to-use interfaces, and even physics engines to make your game as simple or as complex as you like. The beauty of Construct 3 is in its simplicity. You start by creating objects, which are the building blocks of your game. Then, you define behaviors and rules for these objects, like how they interact with each other and with the player. You can create levels, add sound effects, and even integrate animations, all without writing a single line of code. But how does this tie into earning passive income? Well, once you've created your game, there are several ways to monetize it. You can publish it on platforms like the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or even on web gaming portals. You can incorporate in-game ads, offer in-app purchases, or even sell the game outright. The key here is that once your game is out there, it has the potential to earn money around the clock. Players from all over the world can download and play your game, generating revenue while you focus on your next project or simply enjoy your free time. So, if you've ever dreamed of creating your own game but were intimidated by the coding aspect, Construct 3 opens up a world of possibilities. It's time to unleash your creativity and step into the world of game development, all while paving your way to earning a passive income. Alright, you've created your game with Construct 3, and it's looking great. Now, let's turn the game into a revenue stream. One fantastic way to do this is by selling your HTML5 game on Codecanyon. Codecanyon is part of the Envato Market, which is a suite of online marketplaces where people buy and sell digital assets and services. It's a hotspot for developers to sell their games, plugins, and much more. First, let's understand why Codecanyon could be your golden ticket. It's a platform with a vast audience of potential buyers, including game developers, website owners, and even businesses looking for games to integrate into their websites or marketing campaigns. By listing your game on Codecanyon, you're exposing it to a large, engaged, and ready-to-buy community. Here's how you can get started. Number 1. Prepare your game for sale. Before you list your game on Codecanyon, make sure it's polished, bug-free, and offers a great user experience. Remember, the better your game, the more attractive it is to potential buyers. Number 2. Create comprehensive documentation. When you sell a game, you're not just selling the game itself, but also the ease of understanding it. Provide clear, detailed documentation on how to install, customize, and use your game. This is crucial for non-technical buyers who might be interested in your product. Number 3. Set a competitive price. Research other HTML5 games on Codecanyon to understand the pricing landscape. Price your game competitively to attract buyers while ensuring you get fair compensation for your effort. Number 4. Market your game. Just listing your game on Codecanyon isn't enough. Promote your game on social media, gaming forums, and other platforms. The more visibility your game gets, the higher the chances of sales. Number 5. Provide support. Offering support to your buyers is key. Be responsive to questions and issues. Good customer service can lead to positive reviews and recommendations, driving more sales. Number 6. Update regularly. Keep your game updated with new features, bug fixes, and improvements. This not only keeps the game relevant but also shows potential buyers that you're committed to providing a quality product. By selling your HTML5 game on Codecanyon, you're not just earning money from the initial sale. Many developers find that they can generate a steady stream of income through updates, customizations, and support. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion for game development into a sustainable source of passive income. Let's delve into a real-life example that illustrates just how lucrative HTML5 games can be. On Codecanyon, numerous developers have turned their passion for game development into substantial earnings. Today, we're focusing on the success stories of these Codecanyon users. On Codecanyon, a diverse community of developers has found a platform to showcase and sell their HTML5 games. Among these, there are several users who have managed to stand out due to their exceptional sales figures. These successful Codecanyon users started their journey with a simple idea and a passion for gaming. They leveraged platforms like Construct3 to bring their visions to life, creating engaging and entertaining HTML5 games. After developing their games, they chose Codecanyon as their marketplace, a decision that would soon pay off. What's remarkable about these users is their ability to tap into the market's needs. They observed trends, gathered feedback, and continually improved their offerings. By doing so, they managed to create games that not only attracted players but also kept them engaged. These Codecanyon success stories are a powerful reminder of the potential that HTML5 game development holds. These developers have made thousands of dollars, and their earnings continue to grow. They represent the possibilities that await when creativity meets opportunity in the digital marketplace. As we've seen, the journey of these anonymous Codecanyon users is both inspiring and instructive. They demonstrate that with the right approach, dedication, and a bit of creativity, anyone can achieve success in the world of HTML5 game development. It's not just about making games, it's about creating experiences that resonate with players and finding the right platform to share your creations with the world. As we wrap up this video, it's clear that the world of HTML5 game development offers incredible opportunities for passive income. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, platforms like Construct3 and Codecanyon provide the tools and marketplace you need to turn your gaming ideas into profitable realities. Remember, the journey of creating and selling HTML5 games is as exciting as it is rewarding. It's about unleashing your creativity, learning new skills, and connecting with a community of gamers and developers. And the best part? You can start right now, from the comfort of your home. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of HTML5 game development, explore your potential, and who knows? You might just be the next success story we talk about. Keep innovating, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun! Thank you for watching this video on Dylan Fittz channel. If you found it informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content on business ideas and tips for success. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard. See you in the next video!